Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your File Explorer completely transparent into your Windows 11. You can also do it in Windows 10. So I'm going to give you a very simple method to make it transparent. So follow my steps very carefully. First you have to go for your browser. Then I will give you this link into the video description. From there you can simply copy it. And then you have to come over this website and then come over into the zip folder. Click on that. After that, you can see the file has been downloaded. So now what we're going to do, we're going to click on this folder icon over here. So as you can see, the file is over here and it's completely zipped. So now we have to make it extract. So click on the right mouse button, click on extract all and then click extract. And after a very short time, you can see the extraction will be completed. And then you will come over this this folder over here. And as you can see, here is the system transparency. So we are going to copy this and then we will going for, so you have to come over into the search option and going to search for start menu. You just need to type and you will get the folder over here. So we're going to open it. And then we just need to open to the programs file. And from here, we just need to look for the startup folder, click on that. And then what you can do, just simply paste the file over here. And as you can see, the system transparency file is now over here. So now what we're going to do, we're going to click on it 2 times. And then we need to come over into the documents folder over here, as you can see. And then we will get the system transparency option over here. So we're going to open it. Click on the right mouse button and open it to the notepad. And from here, what you have to do is you just need to set the transparency into 230 over here. And then make the Explorer 0 to 1. And that's it. You just to save it right now. Close the notepad. And now if you come over into this bar over here, into the taskbar, and then if you click on this bar, and then if you click on this system transparency prisoner, if you click on it 2 times, and if you just click on the right mouse button, and then here you'll find the option called setup and info, click on that. And now if you close the background, and from here you just need to type it as 230 as you typed into the notepad. And then here you just need to click on this affect all Explorer windows. And then you just need to click OK. And that's it. Now if you go for your File Explorer, as you can see, it's fully transparent over here, as you can see. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can simply make your File Explorer transparent in Windows 11 or 10. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.